Hello everyone, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Haley Moon and I am the CEO of the Rules of a Big Boss LLC, and today I have two very special announcements that I'm really excited to make for you guys today. It is very near and dear to my heart and I'm very excited to share it with you all today. So first things first, I'm going to talk about my newest course. Let me give y'all a little drum roll. It is called God is Unleashed. So a little bit about what we'll be talking about is week 1, we are going to be talking about feminine energy 101. You got your soft feminine, your dark feminine, you have your masculine energy, how they all come together and bring you about the divine feminine. So the divine feminine is what's going to help you attract your dream life. And then week 2, we're talking all about the energetics of money, how to make money, practical ways, etc., etc. And then week 3, we are going to be talking all about how to bring those 2 weeks, all of that knowledge, how to bring it about in a way that is going to help you sustain your relationship as well as your new life. And then for my other announcement, we are going to be talking about my newest book called Everyday Heroes, just a little bit about what that is about. So Everyday Heroes is a book about how your heroes don't have to be someone who wears your cape. It could be, it could be your family, it could be your friend, it could be even yourself. It is really just about what they do for you and what they do for the community. If you are interested in either my course or my book, make sure that you go ahead and click in the link in my bio and it'll give you all that information. All right, love you.